Have you ever glanced at your Amazon ad campaigns and scratched your head? You're not alone. Even the most seasoned Amazon sellers have found themselves in this situation. Regardless of whether your campaigns are functioning well or not, staying on top of what is happening with your PPC advertisements is critical for achieving and maintaining success. And what better method to figure out what's wrong than to do a self-audit? Hello everyone, I'm Ankita Patil, Product Evangelist at SellerApp, and I'm here to walk you through your Amazon PPC audit step by step. Step 1. Determine your goals. Audits are only useful if they link performance to strategic goals. Essentially, are you achieving the business level outcomes you desire? Different goals result in different priorities, which influences audit outcomes. For instance, achieving an ACOS goal, reaching out to new to brand customers, launching and establishing a new product. At the next level, this can be broken down into more specific goals such as increasing organic traffic, increasing market presence, and also increasing profit margins, fighting against your competition, and so on. In each campaign, there is always a room for improvement. A PPC audit can assist you in determining where you can optimize your campaign to better align it with your goals. However, you must first set the goals in order to ensure that the right metrics are measured in the right way. Step 2. Evaluate your performance metrics. Looking at your KPIs, that is key performance indicators to assess your Amazon PPC performance, is the most critical component. KPIs will be different for different sellers. Some sellers may have various ACOS targets and thresholds, and each account CPC is related to other metrics. Comparing your KPIs to Amazon averages is one of the most effective methods to measure the performance of your account. Under this, we have CPC. The first metric I consider is cost per click. What is your account's average CPC? How does it compare to Amazon's average CPC? Most importantly, is the CPC of your account reasonable? CPCs can provide a wealth of information about your niche. To begin, CPCs can reveal how competitive your niche is. Say for example, if your CPCs are high, say approximately $5, your competitor's bid will be equivalent. We know this because Amazon advertising operates in an auction model, which means that if the next closest bidder is only bidding $1, you just need to spend $1.1 to win the Amazon ad. A CPC of $5 on a $5 bid indicates that your competitors are bidding the same amount as you are, possibly even more. If your CPCs are high, your conversion rate will be low. This is an indication of poor product market fit. Larger accounts on average have greater conversion rates and even better product fit. Understanding the backstory of your CPC, regardless of the size, may give you a sense of how competitive your niche is, and the best technique is to make the most of your PPC account. Next is ACOS. ACOS analysis is dependent on your company's goals. A few elements influence whether or not your ACOS is on track. What do you want from your ACOS? How demanding is your niche? Is your ACOS really low with room to raise it and bid more aggressively? Are you attempting to shrink the size of your ACOS since it is currently unprofitable? To generate reviews and increase awareness of their products, some businesses use aggressive tactics with ACOS exceeding 100%. On the other hand, an ACOS of 10% might occasionally represent a break-even point for an Amazon product with low profit margin. You should also examine your ACOS over a variety of durations such as YTD, last 90 days, last 60 days, last 30 days, or even MTD to find the growing trends. To streamline and optimize your PPC campaign, SellerApp provides a powerful advertising tool. To leverage this tool, you need to connect your SellerApp account with your Amazon advertising account. After logging into the SellerApp dashboard, navigate to the advertising tool. The overview section will give you a comprehensive macro understanding of all of your advertising campaigns. You can get started by clicking on the Calculate ROAS button. Here you can fill in the required information and set the target ACOS. I'm setting it as 20%. Now all your ad campaigns will revolve around this value. To improve your ACOS, click on the Insights tab. This feature will give you actionable suggestions to improve your campaign performance. Under this, we have 7 sub-features, and each one of them is targeted towards a certain goal. Negative search terms and negative ASINs are targeted towards improving your ACOS. Let me show you how that works. When you click on Mark Negative, the search terms will be converted to a negative exact keyword and marked as negative in the campaign or ad group. On the other hand, you click Ignore, then the suggested search term won't appear again for 7 days. So how do we decide which search terms are costing you money? We take these two factors into consideration. Target ACOS. Any search terms that have an ACOS more than your target are considered negative. Any search term that is above default 50% ACOS is also considered as negative. Relative performance. Search terms that are performing worse than other search terms in your campaigns or ad groups are considered negative. We also provide you with key insights for all the negative search terms we have suggested, such as keyword, campaign name, ad group name, match type, impressions, clicks, sales, spend, orders, cost per click, conversion rate, and advertising cost of sales. Click-through rates. Next is negative ASINs. Negative ASINs is similar to negative search terms. The only difference here is we are dealing with the product targeting campaigns instead of keyword targeting campaigns. Negative ASINs prevent spending your ad budget on irrelevant or low converting ASINs. This sub-feature helps you find underperforming ASINs, mark them negative, or ignore them for 7 days with a simple click. Next is spend per day. Tracking spending per day is another important aspect. Is your account spending thousands of dollars and receiving a month's worth of data every day? Or is it an account that spends $45 in the same time frame but provides you with almost no statistically meaningful data? When doing a PPC audit on your account, it's critical to be aware of the amount of information at your disposal. The last thing you want to do is make inferences from the data that is statistically insignificant. It's useful to compare spending per day throughout different time periods, whether the term is 90 days or a week. Examining the expenditure per day throughout the different time frames might reveal trends in your campaign. When your Amazon account is moving downhill, whether you are a major spender or just getting started with smaller campaigns, there are specific areas to look at, such as compare your schedules. Is there a fall in impressions? Is there a drop in conversion rates? If your account's impressions or clicks have decreased, this might be due to poor keyword performance getting outbid by competitors or an Amazon algorithm update. However, there is a good chance that your niche is getting more competitive if your conversion rate is declining. Competitors are targeting your ASINs and posting advertising on your product listings. To counteract this, investigate how to compete with your competition by obtaining more reviews and optimize your listings. Step 3. Examine your campaign structure. It's no surprise. Struggling campaigns are usually disorganized. Even the most experienced sellers have difficulty setting up Amazon ads. It is critical to create a logical hierarchy of products inside your campaigns, ad groups, and targeting types in order to optimize your campaign structure. A well-structured campaign begins with appropriately naming your campaigns. Everything else falls into place quite simply if you have a proper campaign and ad group nomenclature. You should include these in your campaign name, such as product or product category, target ACOS, targeting data, for example, auto, manual, product, or keyword targeting. Understanding the types of campaign you're running is another aspect of campaign structure. Sorting each of your campaigns into your portfolios is the best practices for keeping it well organized. Here's an illustration of how easy does this make your life. SellerApp's Campaign Manager feature reviews the overall performance of all of your ad campaigns with the help of visual aids. It gives insights at all levels of the hierarchy, campaign level, ad group level, and even keyword level. The first section consists of intuitive graphs of key performance indicators to help you understand your account level performance. The second section will guide you through your campaign level insights. Here you can monitor the performance of sponsored products and sponsored brand campaigns and accordingly edit the daily budget. Additionally, you can filter out the results and sort the metrics as per your requirement. Step 4. Targeting management. We can now look at ad groups and the targeting of product ads. To begin with, when it comes to targeting management, keyword dumping is a fatal sin. When an ad group has more than 25 to 50 keywords, Amazon will discontinue serving impressions to more than half of those keywords. To use an example, imagine that these keywords are a group of animals gathered around a water source. When there are too many animals, the situation isn't optimal for anyone and some of them are kicked out. In the realm of Amazon ads, when the water source becomes overcrowded with keywords, Amazon tosses some out. This pattern has also been seen in Facebook ads, and it is assumed that Amazon operates on the same principles. Essentially, the top performing ads will continue to get impressions while the rest will never be seen again. Step 5. Bidding management. You have goals in mind. Now all that remains is to bid. Poor bid management on an account is pretty easy to spot. Bid management is typically indicated by absurdly high bids, insanely low bids, and identical bids across the board. Bid management is based on a fairly simple idea. Don't throw additional money at something that isn't converting. Money, my friends, will not compensate for poorly organized campaigns. Every ad group and keyword in your campaign should have a performance-based bid. Next is step 6. Fine-tuning your ad campaigns. This is where you extract the final few pennies from your account. This follows the 80/20 rule. While the first 5 actions will have the greatest impact, addressing minor issues in your account may go a long way. Small changes might include altering your auto-targeting bids for close match, lose match, complements, and substitutes. You may also tweak your placement settings to get the most out of your PPC. Performing regular Amazon account audits on a proactive basis helps ensure that you are not overspending and that you are availing the opportunities to enhance your account performance. Selling on Amazon requires regular attention and optimization to constantly improve performance and increase sales, revenue, and even profitability. And that's it for this video, everyone. Thanks for watching. Your support means a lot to us. It encourages us to bring out more helpful videos like this. We have recently published an in-depth blog on Amazon advertising grading checklist, which you can find in the comment section below. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to SellerApp. Let us know if you guys want us to create detailed seller guides on any specific topic. You can leave your suggestions in the comment section below and we'll definitely create them for you. Don't forget to click the bell icon so that you'll never miss on any other video. And as always, happy selling!